Russia, or the Russian Federation, is a country spanning Eastern Europe and North Asia. It is the largest country in the world and extends across 11 time zones, sharing land border with 14 countries with over 140 million people. Russia is the most populous country in East Europe and the ninth-most populous in the world. It is a highly urbanized country with 16 of its urban areas having more than 1 million inhabitants. Moscow, the most populous metropolitan area in Europe, is the capital and largest city of Russia, with St. Petersburg. It is second largest city and cultural center. Russia Federation flag cause of anthem. Capital Moscow and largest city 55 derajat 45 21 and 37 derajat 37 02 in official and national language Russian. Regional language 35 region official language. Ethnic group 2021 include Crimea 71.7% Russian, 3.2% Tatar, 3.2% Tatar, 1.1 Bashkir, 1.1 Chechen, 11.3% other, 11.6% not reported. Demonics Russian government federal semi-presidential republic under an authoritarian dictatorship. President Vladimir Putin, Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin, Legislature, Federal Assembly, Upper House, Federation Council, Lower House, State Duma. Formation: Kievan Ras 882, Vladimir Shchitl 1157, Principality of Moscow 1282, Stardom of Russia 16 January 1547, Russian Empire to November 1721, Monarchy abolished 15 March 1917, Soviet Union 3 December 1922, Declaration of State Sovereignty 12 June 1990, Russian Federation 12 December 1991, Current Constitution 12 December 1993, Union State format 8 December 1999, Area total 15 million 098 1246 km or 6 million 601 670 SCMI million internationally recognized borders. Weather percent 13 including swaps. Population 2025 estimated 146 million 028 325 including Crimea, or 143 million 569 or 049 including Crimea. Density 8.4 or kilometer per square or 21.8 SQMI 187 GDP PPP 2025 estimated total up to $7.192 trillion for the world. Per capita $49.383.43 in the world. GDP nominal 2025 estimated total under 2076 billion 11 in the world. Per capita under 14 258 65 in the world. JINA 2020 36.0 medium inequality HDI 2023 up to 0.832 very high 64 in the world. Currency ruble B RUB tension UTC plus 2 TO plus 12 kali kode 7 ISO 3160 kode RU internet LDRU PO.SU. One segment of the territory of modern Russia that is linked to the lower Paleolithic. The SF emerged as a recognized group in Europe between the 3 and 8 countries CE. The first as Slavic state, given Rus origin in the 9th century, and in 988 it adopted Orthodox Christianity from the Byzantine Empire. Given Rus ultimately disintegrated, the Grand Dukes of Moscow led the unification of Russian land, leading to the proclamation the touchdown of Russian in 1547. With the early 18th century, Russian has vastly expanded through conquest and annexation, and the effort of Russian emperors developing into the Russian Empire, which remained the third largest empire in history. However, with the Russian Revolution in 1970, Russia's monarchy's rule was abolished and eventually replaced by the Russian SFSR, the world first constitutionally socialist state. Following the Russian Civil War, the Russian SFSR established the Soviet Union with the other Soviet Republic, which it was the largest and principal constitution or constituent. The Soviet Union underwent rapid industrialization in the 1930s amid the deaths of millions under Joseph Stalin rule, and later played a decisive role for the Allies in World War II, wielding large-scale war on the East Front. With the onset of the Cold War is complete with the United States for ideological domination and international influence. The Soviet era of the 20th century, Rasulullah Muhammad SAW, some of the most significant Russian technological achievements, including the first human-made satellite and the first human expedition into outer space. In 1991, the Russian SFSR emerged from the dissolution of the Soviet Union as the Russian Federation. A new constitution was adopted which established a federal semi-presidential system. Since the turn of the century, Russia's political system has been dominated by Vladimir Putin, when the country has experienced democratic backsliding and become an authoritarian dictatorship. Russia has been militarily involved in a number of conflicts in former Soviet states and other countries, including its war with Georgia in 2008 and its war with Ukraine since 2014. The latter has involved the internationally unrecognized annexation of Ukraine territory, including Crimea in 2014. Before all the region in 2022 during an ongoing invasion. Russia in general considered a great power and is a regional power, possessing the largest stockpile of nuclear weapons and having the biggest military expenditure in the world. It has a high income economy, which is the 11th largest in the world by nominal GDP and fourth largest by PDP, relying on its vast mineral and energy resources, which ranks as the second largest in the world for oil and natural gas production. However, Russia ranks very low in international measurement of democracy, human rights, and freedom of the press, and also a sick level of perceived corruption. It is a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, a member state of the G20, HEO, BRICS, APEC, OSCE, and WTO, and the lady member state of post-Soviet organizations such as CIS, CSTO, and AAEO. Russia is home to 32 UNESCO World Heritage Economy. Main article: Economy of Russia. With the information economy history of the Russian Federation and taxation in Russia. Russia's income industrialized mixed market-oriented economy following a turbulent transition from the Soviet land model during the 1990s. It has the 11th largest economy by nominal GDP and the fourth largest economy by GDP (PDP). As the 2023, the service sector accounts for roughly 57% of the GDP, followed by the industrial sector 30%, with the agriculture sector is the small at 3% of the total GDP. Russia's foreign exchange rate serves as the fifth largest in the world. It has a labor force about 73 million, which is the eighth largest in the world. As of 2023, Russia's largest trading partner by total import and export volume is China. The Moscow international business center in Moscow. The city has one of the world's largest urban economies. Russia's human development is ranked as very high in the annual Human Development Index. Roughly 70% of Russia's total GDP is driven by domestic consumption, and the country has the world 12th largest consumer market. Russia has the biggest number of billionaires in the world. However, its income inequality remains comparatively big compared to other developed countries. The variance of natural resources among its federal subjects has also led to regional economic disparities. The level of corruption, a surging labor force, a brain-drain problem, and unaging and declining pollution also remain major barriers to further economic growth. Following the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, the country has faced extensive sanctions and other negative financial action from the Western world and its allies, which has the aim of isolating the Russian economy from the Western financial system. However, Russia has completed its transition into a world economy and has shown resilience to such measures, partly maintaining economic stability and to primary by military expenditure, reaching also old consumption and wages. Low unemployment and increased government spending with inflation has remained comparatively high, with experts predicting the section will have a long-term negative effect on the Russian economy. Transport and energy. Main article transport in Russia and energy in Russia. Railway transport in Russia in most controlled by the Southern Russia Railways. The total length of the most used railway track in the world, the longest exceeding 87,000 km or 54,100 mi as of 2019. Russia has the world's fifth largest road network with over 1.5 million km of route. However, its road density is among the world's lowest in part to its vast land area. Russia's inland waterways are the longest in the world, totaling 102 km or 63,380 mi. It has over 900 airports, ranked 7 in the world, of which the busiest is Sheremetyevo International Airport in Moscow. The largest part include the port of Novorossiysk, the great port of St. Petersburg, and the port of Vladivostok. The Trans-Siberian Railway, in the longest railway line in the world, connecting Moscow to Vladivostok. Sheremetyevo International Airport is the basis airport in Russia. Russia is one of the world's largest amount of energy resources that is very limited, particularly natural gas and oil, which play a crucial role in its energy sufficiency and export. It has been widely described as an energy superpower. Russia has the world's largest proven gas reserves, the second largest coal reserves, the 8th largest proven oil reserves, and the largest oil salt reserves in Europe. As of 2023, it is also the second largest producer and the largest exporter of natural gas, as well as the second largest producer and exporter of crude oil. Russia's large oil and gas sector accounts for 30%, although federal budget revenues in 2024 grew from 50% in the middle 2010, suggesting economic diversification. Russia is the world's third largest economy producer as of 2023. Fossil fuels account for over 64% of energy production. It is Dagestan, Russian. Dagestan, official, the Republic of Dagestan is a republic of Russia situated in the North Caucasus of Eastern Europe along the Caspian Sea. It is located north of the Greater Caucasus and is a part of the North Caucasian Federal District. The republic is the southernmost tip of Russia, sharing land border with the countries of Azerbaijan and Turkey to the south and southwest, the Russian Republic of Czechia and Kalmykia to the west and north, and with Stavropol Krai to the northwest. Maskalatska is the republic capital and largest city. Other major cities are Durban, Yar, Izbir, Tespisk, and Buenagas, Republic of Dagestan. Country Russia, Federal District, North Caucasian, Economy Region, North Caucasian, Capital Maskalatska, Government Body, People's Assembly, Head Sergei Marikov, Area total 50,270 km persegi, 19,410 SKMI, rank 52 in the world, population 2021 census total up to 3,182 054, 30.5% of vars, 16.6% Dargins, 15.8% Humisks, 13.3% Lagzin, 5.2% Laks, 4% Tabasarans, 3.7% Azerbaijan, 3.3% Russians, 3.2% Chechens, 1% Rutulians, 3.3% other. Estimated 2018 3,063,885 rank 10. Urban 45.2%, rural 54.8%. Temzon UTC 3 MSK. ISO 3160 kode RUDA. License Plates 05. OKTMO ID 2000000. Official Liqua Russian, Akul Avar Azerbaijan, Chechen, Darwan, Kubiks, Leijin, La Nogai, Tetun, La Saran, Taskur. Website https www.e.ru/ Sula Canyon is one of the world's deepest canyons. Kakhib, one of many abandoned holes in Dagestan. Abandoned now, lacking village of Krar. Rutulian village, Luchek. Dagestan cover an area of 5,300 square kilometer or 19,400 square miles, with a population of over 3.1 million, consisting of over 30 ethnic groups and 81 national or nationalists, with 14 official lingua and 12 ethnic groups as constitution more than 1% of its total population. The republic is one Russia's most linguistical and ethnic diverse and one of the most heterogeneous administrative divisions in the world. Most of the residents speak one of the Northwest Caucasian or Turkish languages. However, Russian is the primary lingua and the lingua franca in the republic. The major industries in Dagestan include oil production, engineering, chemical, merchant building, textile, manufacturing, food processing, and timber. Oil deposits are located in the narrow coastal region. Dagestan natural gas production was must to satisfy local net agriculture is various and include grain farming, viticulture, and winemaking, sheep farming and dyeing. The engineering and networking industries own 20% of the republic's industry product asset and employ 25% of all industry workers. Dagestan hydroelectricity power industry in developing rapidly. There are wave power plant on the Sulak River providing hydraulic power. It has been estimated the Dagestan total population hydraulic power resource are further being Tawi. Dagestan has a well-developed transportation system. Railway connect the capital Makhatskala to Moscow. Astrakhan and the Azerbaijani capital Baku. The Moscow-Baku Railway also passes through Dagestan, and there are linked with major cities. Conditions for economy developing are favorable in Dagestan, but as 2006, the Republic law is starting level for a successful transition to market relation in addition to rampant corruption, as much the region greatly depend on its underground economy and the subsidies coming from the central Russian government. Corruption in Dagestan involves several than in other regions of the former Soviet Union and is operated with a flourishing black market and plan-based economic system. In 2011, Telecom started in the implementation of VDM with equipment on the backbone network for data transmission in the Republic of Dagestan. Due to VDM introduction, the fiber optic communication lanes bandwidth increased to 2.5 Gbit per second. Plus, Telecom invested about 48 million ruble in the project. Of energy consumption, natural gas is by far the largest source of energy, comprising over half of the energy production and 42% of electricity consumption. Russia was the first country to develop civilian nuclear power, building the world's first nuclear power plant in 1954, and remained a pioneer in nuclear energy technology and is considered a world leader in fast neutron reactor. Russia is the world's largest nuclear energy producer. Russian energy policy aims to expand the role of nuclear energy and develop new reactor technology. Russia is the sole country that will and operates nuclear power icebreakers with aviation navigation along the Northern Sea Route and aid in utilizing its arctic policy in its continental shelf. Russia joined the Paris Agreement and climate change in 2015 and ratified the agreement in 2019. Its greenhouse gas emissions are the world's largest in the world as of 2023. It accounts for over 10% of its energy consumption. Russia is the fifth largest hydroelectric producer as of 2022, with hydroelectric power contributing almost over to the total energy generation 70%. It is the eighth largest renewable energy producer as of 2023. The use and development of other renewable energy resources remain negligible, as Russia is among the best countries without strong governmental or public support for a renewable energy transition. Agriculture and fishery. When agriculture in Russia and fishing industry in Russia. When in terms of place, agriculture, forestry, and fishing contributes about 3.3% of the country total GDP as of 2023. Because the world's largest cultivated area at 1,265,267 square kilometers, 188,522 SCI. However, due to the harshness of its environment, only about 1% of its land is agriculture, with an additional 7.4% being arable. The country agricultural land is considered part of the breadbasket of Europe. More than 1/3 of the sound area is developed to further crops, and the remaining farmland is used in industrial crops, vegetables, and fruits. The main product of Russian farming is alway, being grain with out of peas, well over half the cropland. Russia is the world's largest exporter of wheat and the largest producer of barley and wheat. It is also among the largest exporters of maize and sunflower oil, as well as the leading producer of fertilizer. Various analysts of climate change adaptation forecast larger opportunities for Russia agriculture during the rest of the 21st century as availability increased in Siberia. Its world led to both internal and external migration to the region, owing to its largest coastline along the ocean and 12 marginal states. Russia maintained the world's largest fish industry, capturing nearly 5 million tons of fish in 2018. It is on to the world Guinness career the beluga and product about 1/3 of all ended fish and some 1/4 of the world total burst and region fish. Science and technology. Russia spent about 1% of its GDP in research and development in 2019. Main article in and technology in Russia. Sal timeline of Russia innovation, list of Russian science and list of Russian inventors. With the world 10 biggest budget, it also ranked 10 worldwide in the number of the center publication in 2020. With 1.3 million papers since 1904. Nobel Prize were awarded to 26 Soviet and Russian in physics, chemistry, medicine, economy, literature, and physics. Russia ranked 60 in the Global Innovation Index in 2024 and from 45 in the 2021 since the time of Nicholas Lobachevsky, who pioneered the non-Euclidean geometry, and Pafnuty Chebyshev, a preeminent tutor, Russian mathematician, even among the world's most influential. Dmitry Mendeleev invented the periodic table, the main framework of modern chemistry. Then Soviet and Russia mathematicians have been awarded with the Fields Medal. Grigory Perelman was awarded the first ever Jelly Millennium Prize problem for its win of the Pioneer conductor in 2002, as well as the Fields Medal in 2006. Mikhail Lomonosov 7011 7065 very much seen inventor but an artist. Alexander Popov was among the inventors of radio, while Nikolai Bishop and Alexander Prokofiev were co-inventors of laser and measure, along largest crucial contribution in the field of semiconduction. Vision and discover like emitting diodes. Vladimir Fernandzhitsky is considered one of the founder of geochemistry, biogeochemistry, and radiogeology. Eli Matchnikov is known for his groundbreaking research in immunology. Ivan Pavlov is known chiefly for his work in classical conditioning. Lev Landau made a fundamental contribution to many areas of theoretical physics. Nikolai Vavilov was best known for having identified the centers of origin of cultivated plant. Trofim Lysenko was known mainly for Lysenkoism. Many famous Russian scientists and inventors were immigrants. Igor Sikorsky was an aviation pioneer. Vladimir Zworykin was the inventor of the iconoscope and kinescope television system. Tadeusz Dobzhansky was the central figure in the field of evolutionary biology. For his work in shaping the modern synthesis, Gergo Kamau was one of the foremost advocates of the Big Bang theory. Space exploration near Russian space station that operated in LEO Roscosmos is Russia's national space agency. The country achievement in the field of space technology and space exploration can be traced back to Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, the father of theoretical astronautics, which work as inspired leading Soviet rocket engineers such as Sergei Korolev, Valentin Glushko, and many others who contributed to the success of the Soviet space program in the early stage of the space race and beyond. 477, 627, 333 in 1957. The first Earth orbit artificial satellite Sputnik 1 was launched in 1961. The first human trip into space was successful modeled by Yuri Gagarin. Many other Soviet and Russian space exploration record ensured in 1953. Valentina Tereshkova became the first and youngest woman in space, having followed a solo mission on Vostok 6 in 1965. Alexei Leonov became the first woman to conduct a spacewalk, exiting the space capsule during Voskhod 2 in 1957, like a Soviet space dog. Beyond the first animal to orbit the Earth aboard Sputnik 2 in 1966, Luna 9 became the first spacecraft to achieve a survivable landing on a celestial body, the Moon, in 1968. Zone 5 broke the first Earth leaks to the Tortoises, another release from to circumnavigate the Moon in 1970. Venera became the first spacecraft to land another plane vanished in 1970. Mars 3 became the first spacecraft to land on Mars. During this same period, Lunokhod 1 became the first space exploration rover. 485. Will Salyut 1 beyond the Warfield Space Station. 486. As of 2023, Russia has 181 active satellite instances, which is the third used in the world. 487, but when the Winal failed on the space shuttle program in 2011, in the 2020 Space of Fish Crowd mission, Soyuz rocket were the only launches vehicle capable of transporting astronauts to the ISS. 488 Luna 25 launched in August 2023 was based on the Luna 2 Gulf 1 exploration program. 489